Good morning. Today's topic is electrochemical series or activity series. Activity series. Activity series is the list of elements. The list of elements, either metals or non-metals. Metals or non-metals. Okay. Are arranged in their increasing order of standard reduction potential. Okay, are arranged in their increasing order of standard reduction potential. Standard reduction potential. Okay. The standard reduction potential is obtained by comparing their potential differences or standard reduction potential with that of a standard hydrogen electrode potential. Okay, so electrode potential of a substance, of an element, is comparing with the reduction potential of standard hydrogen electrode. We will get the standard reduction potential. And this is the list. It is arranged in the increasing order of their standard reduction potential. So, from the series we can see that lithium is having more negative value and fluorine is having more positive value. So, down the series what happens? Reducing character increases. Reducing character increases, which means the elements have greater tendency to gain electrons. Okay, greater tendency to gain electrons. Okay, which means they become more oxidizing agent. So, fluorine is the strongest oxidizing agent. Strongest oxidizing agent is fluorine. What about lithium? Lithium is less oxidizing agent, or we can say it is the strongest reducing agent. Okay, lithium is the strongest reducing agent. Okay, so the element which is having more negative value means it is the strongest reducing agent, and element which is having greater positive value means which is the strongest oxidizing agent. Okay, now let us discuss the application of this electrochemical series. Next, applications. First point, metals which have low standard reduction potential is more electropositive. Okay, metals which have low SRP are more electropositive. So, we know lithium, potassium, etc. are more electropositive. Okay. So, SRP less than or equal to -2, they are strongly electropositive. That is 1A and 2A group elements are highly electropositive. Okay. Next point, second point. Metals which have low SRP value are highly reactive. Metals which have low SRP value are highly reactive. So, these values, those which are above the series are highly reactive. So, alkali metals and alkaline earth metals have low SRP value. They are highly reactive and they evolve hydrogen from cold water. Okay. Next, third point. Metals which have low SRP value, that is more negative value, means they can replace other metal from its salt. Okay. Metals which have low SRP value can replace other metal from its salt. Okay. Okay. Now, fourth point, metals which have low SRP value, that is more negative value, they are strong reducing agents. Okay. Metals which have low SRP value, they are strong reducing agents. Okay. So, next point, non-metals. Fluorine is a non-metal. Non-metals which have high SRP value, they are strong oxidizing agent. Example, fluorine. Non-metals which have high SRP value, they are strong oxidizing agents. Okay. Strong oxidizing agents. Okay. Now, next point, metals which have low SRP value, that is more negative value, their oxides are thermally stable. So, what happens? Metals which have higher SRP value, their oxides are thermally unstable. Okay. Metals which have low SRP value, their oxides are thermally stable. Okay. They are thermally stable. Next point, 7. Cations having higher SRP value. Cations having higher SRP value will discharge first at cathode. Okay. Anion with lower SRP value will discharge first at anode. Okay. Cation having higher SRP value will discharge first at cathode and anion with lower SRP value will discharge first at anode. This is important. Okay. So, K plus calcium 2 plus C, K plus Ca2 plus Na plus Mg, etc. The order of discharging at cathode will be K plus is having least, then down it increases. Okay. So, order of discharging at cathode. Now, what about the order of discharging at anode? See here, I minus, Cu, I minus is having high value. So, it will discharge first at anode, then Cu like this. Okay. Like this. Next, 8th point. Metals which have low SRP value have greater rate of corrosion. Okay. Metals with low SRP value will have greater rate of corrosion. Okay. Greater rate of corrosion. Okay. These are the important applications of electrochemical series.